Alright, listen up, future YouTube legends. If you want to supercharge your channel without spending a penny, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm sharing 15 absolutely free websites every YouTuber should know. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, these tools are total game changers. Let's dive in. At number 15, it's Canva. Need stunning thumbnails, channel art, or social posts? Canva's your creative playground packed with easy drag and drop designs. 14 is TubeBuddy. This one's practically essential. It helps you find the best keywords, analyze your competitors, and even optimize your titles and tags for more views. Number 13, Unsplash. Free, high-quality stock photos you can use anywhere. No copyright headaches. Next up, number 12, Epidemic Sound's free trial. Grab a month of copyright-safe music and sound effects, a lifesaver for making your videos pop. At 11, Audacity. Need crisp audio? This free audio editor lets you clean up, cut, and perfect your sound, even if you're a total beginner. Number 10, OBS Studio. Stream or record your screen in high quality for free. Perfect for tutorials, gaming, or live quandas. In at 9 is Remove.bg. Instantly erase backgrounds from images for cleaner thumbnails and overlays. It's like Photoshop magic minus the cost. Number 8, DaVinci Resolve. Want pro-level video editing without the price tag? This software is packed with features, color grading, effects, you name it. 7 is Google Trends. Find out what topics are hot right now and make videos people are already searching for. At 6, Social Blade. Track your channel's stats and spy on your rivals. It's a goldmine for growth insights. Number 5, Pexels. More royalty-free videos and photos for your edits. No credit card required. Coming in at 4, Answer the Public. Discover what questions your audience is asking and craft videos that truly connect. Number 3, Trello. Organize your video ideas, scripts, and to-dos with this simple but powerful project management tool. At 2, Grammarly. Nail your scripts and descriptions by catching typos and awkward sentences before you hit upload. And the number 1 free website every YouTuber should know, YouTube Creator Academy. Packed with lessons from actual YouTube experts, it's honestly the best crash course you'll find. There you go, 15 free websites that could make the difference between MA and mega growth for your channel. Don't just bookmark these, actually use them. Which tool are you grabbing first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this list helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you at the top.